Hey guys! As you know, spring is here and summer is quickly approaching, so I thought it would be cool to show you 4 of my favorite summer hairstyles. Obviously you can do these any time of the year. I just find them comfortable in the summertime and cute for all of those summer outfits and colors. The first one is super simple. Just gonna part your hair down the middle. I'm gonna start a Dutch braid. I have 3 strands of hair that are very close in size.
Minnie, if something gets bad, you like this. See? Like this. Like me. See? Oh, I fell down. Mickey helps you. Oh, I fell down too.
Okay, I usually like to stop here just so this doesn't look so tight to my head, and then I have these hairs hanging out later. I just want to pull the hairs out.
Just like
My daughter gave this to me. It's my princess crown. After you pancake the braid, just leave this hanging here. I'm going to start on the other side. Alright, so now that we finished these braids, we're literally just going to take them like this and tie them into a knot. And take a small bobby pin and one more small bobby pin. And that's it. I think this is super cute for summertime. It just looks summery to me. Hey you guys, so for this one, I have already braided my hair into pigtails and pancaked the braid, which is just pulling the braid out to make it look bigger. And I braid almost all the way down. When you are separating the hair to do pigtails, don't part your hair with a comb. Simply separate the hair and the back and pull it to the side, because you don't want a defined part, because we try to avoid being able to see a part in the back of this. Then what you're going to do next after you separate your pigtails and braid them is take your fingers, comb down like this, and then take a large or a small bobby pin and pin it through like this and go either direction. And this isn't going to show because your braids are going to be covering that in the back. You're going to flip them like this and then crisscross them in the back and bring them up around like this. Okay, so when you get to this point, definitely start pinning the braids so that they don't slide around. I like to put 2 large bobby pins at the base of the braid on each side. Okay, and then I kind of crisscross them and bring this one to the back of this side and this one to the front this side. Then when I get to the back, and just pull it out and make it look as full and as thick as you want. And that's literally it, guys. It's so easy this way. Okay guys, I love to do this one in the summertime because my hair is long, and even if your hair is not long, you don't really want your hair all over your neck if it's super hot outside. To start, you're just going to begin a French or a Dutch braid. I'm going to do a Dutch braid because you know how I love those. Separate 3 strands that are evenly sized and go ahead and start your Dutch braid. This is a great style for short hair or long hair. I found it's easier on shorter hair, but definitely doable for long hair, as I will show you today. You can go ahead and start pulling the hair out here. Oh, sorry, I should be showing you guys the back. I'm sorry. Okay.
I'm on your Elsa.
You're right. Pancake the braid to make it big. Okay, and then roll. So that's it. Those are 4 styles you can do in the summertime or for back to school, whatever. I hope that these help you, and I hope you love them. Bye guys.